to another effervescent minute microscopy. I'm Eric Rosenblatt, and it's probably time to briefly talk about the much maligned 5G system. So, what is 5G? Well, let's see if my drunk ass can explain. While it's not really anything remarkable in itself, the term 5G simply means the fifth generation of broadband cellular networks. It's basically an evolution and incremental revision of existing technologies. It isn't anything significantly different than what came before it, aside from maybe a much higher data rate and utilization of slightly different frequencies, along with some other structural improvements. But as with any new technology, people don't understand there's going to be some detractors and skeptics. And those concerns usually come from people who don't even bother to try to understand the fundamentals of how the technology actually works. I've heard all kinds of wild claims about 5G, like it causes cancer and other such diseases. And man, that might actually be the only rational concern, since the jury is still out on carrying radio transceivers in close proximity to your body for extended periods of time. And by close, I mean like less than a centimeter. Yeah, you probably might want to avoid carrying that phone in your front pocket until we're absolutely sure. But 5G is really no more dangerous than any other G that came before. In fact, mobile phone power output has gone down over time as tower density has increased. I've also heard people say that 5G caused COVID. I'm not sure where that came from, probably due to the rollout coinciding with the emergence of the disease. But correlation is not causation. Ask yourself, what mechanism is there within a radio signal to create a viral infection or the effect of one? Then there's people saying 5G can be used for mind control. I suppose the high band 5G range does land in microwave territory, and it's been claimed that microwave signals could be used to manipulate your thoughts. But 4G frequencies are also in the microwave range too. So you'd think that if mind control was the plan, that it would have been implemented years ago. Even the FAA is not immune to 5G panic. I've heard that a number of 5G rollouts close to airports have been put on hold due to concerns that it would interfere with communication. Well, okay, let's see. Modern aircraft typically use frequencies in the megahertz range, like around 100 to 130 megahertz, whereas 5G networks operate in the gigahertz range, maybe like 20 to 50 gigahertz. Yeah, there are low band frequencies for 5G that run close to aircraft radio. But hey, just don't implement those near an airport. They're legacy bullshit anyway. So, should you be worried about 5G? No. It's all part of the electromagnetic spectrum, of which visible light is a part. Just a bunch of photons. And visible light is actually a higher frequency than 5G operates at, up in the terahertz range. The dangerous stuff like gamma rays, X-rays, UV and stuff doesn't start until the petahertz range, where the energy starts to exceed 1 electron volt per photon. Ionizing radiation, that's the dangerous stuff. New technologies like 5G should not scare you. And if they do, then take a few minutes to learn about them. Know your enemy kind of shit. It might turn out that the monster in the closet is nothing but an illusion.